In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail 5 minutes. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox, this walkthrough will help you set up simple automation so messages go exactly where they belong. In Gmail, what many people call folders are actually labels, and filters are the rules that tell Gmail which label to apply. Once set, this runs automatically in the background. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. At the top right, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. From there, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is the control center for creating and managing your filters. Click Create a new filter. A form appears where you define the conditions that should trigger the rule. You can target emails from a specific sender, messages with certain words in the subject, or other details like recipients or size. Be as specific as you need to be. For example, type a sender in the from field or a keyword in subject if you only want messages with that topic to be organized. When your criteria look right, click Create Filter to move to the actions. On the actions screen, check Apply the label. This tells Gmail to attach a label automatically whenever a message matches your conditions. Open the label drop down to pick an existing label or choose new label to create one on the spot. Give it a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it in your sidebar later. After selecting or creating the label, click Create Filter to save everything. From now on, new emails that meet your criteria will land with that label applied, keeping your inbox tidy and making those messages easy to find. If you ever want to adjust the rule, maybe broaden it, narrow it, or change the label, return to Settings, open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and edit or delete the filter from there. A couple of quick tips as you refine this. Start with simple criteria and build up as you see what works. If you're unsure whether a keyword is too broad, try using a specific phrase in the subject field. And remember that your labels appear in the left sidebar where you can expand, collapse, and color code them to improve visibility. That's it. With one filter and a clear label, Gmail will do the repetitive sorting for you so you can focus on the messages that matter most.